Hey guys, and welcome back to Shedoesbeauty, and if you're new, hello! So for today's video, we are going to be sculpting out a nail and doing some zebra and cheetah print. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I know I never sculpt nails, but for some reason the nail tips I had bought off of Amazon were just not working. Every time I tried to put a little bit of glue on them, they would literally disintegrate and split in the middle. So I definitely have to return those back to the seller. I'm thinking if I use the Beetles nail glue, somewhat similar to a builder gel, if that would adhere the tips. So if you have tried that, let me know in the comments if you used any kind of gel to adhere your nail tips. I have heard of someone doing it before. I just don't know how long they would stay, and I don't see a problem on how long they would stay sometimes, because I'm like, well, we do gel-X nails with that kind of stuff and those stay. So I'm just very curious. So whenever you do a cheetah, leopard nail, whichever you want to call it, I still know there's a difference. I just don't know the difference when doing nail art specifically. But you just want to have fun with it, do some C's, do some O's, do a little squiggle here and there, but you always want to fill it up with some kind of glitter or a brown or a pink, whatever accent color you're using. I just think it really does need it, and it makes the look come together even more when there's a cute little speck of color in between the spots. Now that was all for this accent nail. I hope you have a terrific day, and I'll see you in the next one, beauty crew. Bye!